Hopefully this one goes better than the last one you saw. I mean, yeah, that was like a Lasco, but Lasco Galaxy, that came from a seller that was questionable, but it came and it didn't work. This one's the same thing, but this looked a little bit more promising, and plus it's a actual hunter. And yeah, if you notice, it got rewired, but maybe that's a good thing. And the way it looks, this is like probably about maybe late 60s, mid 60s, who knows. Obviously it's a little bit scuffed and rusty, and oh, nothing at the bottom. How nice. Because it's probably on the back. How nice. It's model FL20, catalog FL20 something, 115 volts, 60 cycles, 2.1 amps, serial P, Hunter Division, Robinson Myers, Memphis, Tennessee. So, yeah. Dent. Of course, side. And you saw that side too. I mean, this one, I looked at it and the seller sent me an offer and I took that offer. So I forget how much I paid, but it wasn't as much. It was a little bit more than the Galaxy, but this should work. So, ready? We're going to plug it up and we're going to give it a go. So I guess we're ready. Here's high, I guess. It shakes. Blades probably need to be redone, but oddly enough, I think these old hunters always gotta do that way. Thank you. Slow. Hi. It's been no time now. Stop, stop, stop all the spinning, this we've already seen. Stop, stop, stop all the spinning, I really gotta pee. And scene. Okay, the tag says we're rated for 2.1 amps, so here's back on. Running a bit high, but I think it's because we're running, okay, we're running about on spec with the volts, but maybe because the fact needs oil or regrounded, or I don't know. Wattage. At 105 and 1.39. Could get another spin down time because, well, okay, I didn't see that. The motor wobbled. We've already seen it. Don't do this, kids. I'm a professional idiot. And like I said, since I heard a startup sound, it's still on low, so... And now we'll do the startup sound on high. It's noticeable, but the rattling of the blades is there another spin down of this? And scene. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this video of this 60s era Hunter Robinson Myers box fan model FL20. Personally, at least this runs unlike that Galaxy, which will probably end up being repaired in some form or another. Maybe, maybe not, I don't know. This one, it's going to need a little work too, but hey, for a shop fan, it'll do because it's metal, it's been beaten, and it still runs. Trying to do that today's Walmart grade crap. Ha! Of course, somebody's going to complain, but whatever. So that's that. So I guess till next time, whatever it is, I'm Eskie, thanks for watching. And the comment box is open.